Today, I'll outline 9 AI-driven side hustles that require no upfront investment and have the potential to earn you hundreds to thousands of dollars per day. I can vouch for many of these, as I've either tried them myself or currently engage in them. Let's start with the easiest AI side hustles and gradually move on to the more challenging yet higher-paying opportunities. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Photo colorization. Black and white photos possess a nostalgic charm, but adding color can breathe new life into them. Many seniors and their families are willing to pay for this service on platforms like Fiverr, where freelancers offer photo colorization for around $5 to $10 per photo. Despite the seemingly low rate, utilizing AI tools like CapCut can make this task incredibly efficient, taking only 15 seconds per photo. CapCut's AI-powered photo colorizer tool instantly transforms black and white images into colored ones with a simple drag and drop. To maximize earnings, consider upselling additional services such as photo restoration and upscaling. While photo colorization is straightforward with AI, competition on platforms like Fiverr may limit pricing flexibility, requiring creative marketing strategies to attract clients. Clothing model photos. Clothing brands often require photos of models wearing their products for marketing purposes. With AI model tools like CapCut for Business, there's no need for traditional photo shoots. Simply upload a photo of the clothing item and select a model to generate lifelike images in seconds. While real model photo shoots can command high fees, clients opting for AI models may have more limited budgets, resulting in lower earnings per project. However, with sufficient volume, this side hustle can still be lucrative. Video captioning. In today's digital landscape, video captions play a crucial role in enhancing accessibility and engaging audiences with shorter attention spans. As a result, there's a growing demand for video captioning services, particularly on platforms like Fiverr. Earnings from captioning projects can range from $10 to $60 per video, depending on its duration. Captioning videos with AI technology is remarkably efficient. With tools like CapCut, the process is streamlined and quick. After creating a video project and placing it on the timeline, simply click on the Captions option and select Auto Captions. The AI will then generate captions for the entire video automatically. While the AI does most of the heavy lifting, it's essential to review the captions for accuracy before exporting the final video. Opportunities for upselling include offering various font styles, incorporating animations, and providing translations in multiple languages. However, it's crucial to have proficiency in the languages you're translating to ensure accuracy. To market your captioning services, consider reaching out directly to potential clients, such as small to medium-sized content creators, podcasters, businesses hosting webinars or interviews, and real estate agents posting property videos. Establishing long-term partnerships with clients can lead to consistent income streams. In terms of difficulty, captioning videos ranks low, with a rating of 1 out of 5 sweat drops. For earning potential, it scores a modest 2 out of 5 stacks. Product photography. In addition to clothing, various other products require high-quality photos for marketing purposes. Many businesses seek clean, professional images with a classic white background for their product listings. With AI-powered tools like CapCut's online photo editor, removing backgrounds from raw product photos is a breeze. By toggling on the auto removal feature, AI automatically removes the background, making the process quick and simple. On platforms like Fiverr, individuals offer background removal services for around $5 per photo, reflecting the ease and speed of the task. Alternatively, you can differentiate your services by offering detailed backgrounds that complement the product. CapCut's Change Background tool allows you to select from a variety of background options or generate custom AI backgrounds that interact with the product. To maximize earnings in product photography, consider targeting businesses that lack professional product photos altogether. Building on personal experiences in university, where product photography was a lucrative side hustle, leveraging AI technology allows for rapid editing and significant time savings. In terms of difficulty, product photography using AI tools scores low, with a rating of 2 out of 5 sweat drops. However, if you're venturing into traditional photography, some knowledge in photography techniques is essential. For earning potential, it rates a moderate 3 out of 5 stacks, with ample opportunities for generating income. Social media graphics. Offering social media graphics to businesses has become more accessible than ever with the aid of AI tools like CapCut. Using CapCut's texted design feature, you can simply describe the graphic you need and upload an image, and the tool will generate custom graphics for you to choose from. Additionally, CapCut provides a library of business image templates, including standard square templates and Instagram story templates, giving you a starting point for your designs. While templates are available, having some knowledge of graphic design can be beneficial for creating more specific graphics from scratch. To maximize earnings in this hustle, focus on establishing long-term partnerships with businesses, offering them a consistent stream of social media graphics. Consider upselling packages that include social media copywriting services, which can be efficiently done with tools like ChatGPT. Reaching out directly to businesses and pitching your services can be an effective strategy for securing clients. In terms of difficulty, social media graphics scores moderate, with a rating of 3 out of 5 sweat drops. While templates can simplify the process, some graphic design skills may be necessary for custom designs. For earning potential, it rates a moderate 3 out of 5 stacks, offering a solid income stream with the potential for growth. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. Content repurposing. Many video creators require assistance in repurposing their long-form content into shorter formats suitable for platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels. Offering content repurposing services can be lucrative, with creators willing to pay tens to hundreds of dollars per edit. The process typically involves adding captions and resizing the content to fit the aspect ratio of each platform. With CapCut's online video editor, resizing content for different social media platforms is straightforward, thanks to its built-in aspect ratio options. Additionally, features like previews ensure that essential elements like captions remain visible after resizing. Some creators may also request additional enhancements like video effects and B-roll footage, providing additional opportunities for offering value-added services. A promising starting point for securing clients is reaching out to creators who produce simple talking head interviews or podcast videos, as these types of content are easily repurposed. While some video editing knowledge is required for this hustle, the potential for earnings is substantial, earning a rating of 3 out of 5 sweat drops for difficulty and 3 out of 5 stacks for earning potential. Thumbnail designs. Another lucrative area where you can assist creators is by designing captivating YouTube thumbnails. On platforms like Fiverr, individuals are charging up to $50 per thumbnail, highlighting the significant value creators place on compelling visuals. CapCut provides robust features for thumbnail design, including text, photos, and stickers. The Remove Background tool mentioned earlier is particularly useful for creating clean and professional-looking thumbnails. Designing a visually appealing thumbnail is crucial, but understanding what prompts viewers to click is equally important for success in this hustle. Conducting research and analysis to identify trends and preferences in thumbnail design can help you attract clients effectively. It's recommended to reach out to creators of various sizes and businesses with YouTube channels, showcasing a portfolio of your work, or providing personalized thumbnail examples to demonstrate your expertise. Thumbnail design is moderately challenging, earning a rating of 3 out of 5 sweat drops for difficulty. While some graphic design skills are necessary, CapCut's intuitive interface makes the process manageable. In terms of earning potential, it rates a solid 3 out of 5 stacks, offering a lucrative opportunity for skilled thumbnail designers. Video editing. Video editing presents a lucrative opportunity with clear demand from businesses and content creators. With AI-powered tools like CapCut, entering the field of video editing has never been easier. CapCut offers a range of AI tools and business video templates that streamline the editing process, allowing you to create professional-looking videos with minimal effort. While AI tools can handle many editing tasks efficiently, mastering video editing beyond these tools is essential for maximizing earning potential. Learning additional editing techniques and software can help you offer more comprehensive services and cater to diverse client needs. Video editing is moderately challenging, earning a rating of 4 out of 5 sweat drops for difficulty due to the learning curve associated with mastering editing techniques. However, the earning potential is substantial, with a rating of 4 out of 5 stacks. With the right skills and expertise, video editing can be a lucrative side hustle. Become an influencer. Becoming an influencer, whether as a human or using AI-generated content, offers significant earning potential. AI tools like CapCut's AI character tool and script-to-video feature enable you to create engaging content effortlessly. These tools generate human-like characters and scripts, allowing you to produce compelling videos without extensive editing or production skills. However, influencing is the most challenging hustle on this list, requiring considerable effort and strategy to build a following and monetize your content effectively. Success in influencing depends on creating engaging and valuable content that resonates with your audience. Influencing earns a difficulty rating of 5 out of 5 sweat drops due to the complexity of building and maintaining a following. However, the earning potential is substantial, with a rating of 5 out of 5 stacks. If you can successfully navigate the influencer landscape, the opportunities for income are limitless. These 9 AI hustles offer diverse opportunities for individuals to earn income using AI tools like CapCut. Whether you're designing thumbnails, editing videos, or creating influencer content, there's ample potential to monetize your skills and expertise. If you loved this Make Money online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.